One of the things we want to do before reading the passage is read the questions. We want to try and make question answering more easy. So before we read the passage, we should know what questions we're going to need to look for while we do the reading. Take a look at number 6. How do some schools in the city of Dallas try to motivate students to read? Key word is motivate. Also, take a look at number 9. Which food item would a person who is motivated to be healthy most likely eat? Again, the word motivated shows up. And lastly, question number 10, if someone screamed at you for making a mistake, what would motivate you to try again? Why or why not? So we can see there's a lot of questions about the word motivate. It'd be a good idea to look up the word motivate and know what the definition of it is, to make someone want to do something. Also, while we read the passage, we should be looking for the word motivate, as it may help us answer some of those questions. One thing that I'd like you to do while you're reading is, if you notice the word motivate, go ahead and highlight that word motivate. I can see here, when I mark the paragraphs, that in paragraph number 1, we see the word motivate or encourage. That's a definition. And in the second paragraph as well, we notice the word motivate at the top. Motivate kids. Let's see if it's anywhere else in the text. If you scroll down a little bit further, we found it here. And again in paragraph 11 is the word motivate. Now you know where to look for in the text to find answers about questions that ask you about motivation or motivating.